This is not just a classic truck. This is a fully built street machine. Meet the 1983 Chevrolet C10 Restomod, where vintage American muscle meets modern performance, comfort, and show-stopping style. If you love classic square-body trucks but want serious power and reliability, this build hits different. Under the hood sits a fresh 383 cubic-inch stroker V8. And this isn't some basic rebuild. We're talking alloy heads, ARP fasteners, and an eagle rotating assembly, built strong and built to last. Fuel delivery, a 750 CFM brawler carb. Ignition, MSD system for crisp throttle response and clean spark. That means instant power, aggressive throttle feel, and that deep, raw V8 sound every truck guy loves. Backing it up is a brand new TH350 automatic transmission with a shift kit and heavy-duty internals. Shifts are firm. Power delivery is smooth but aggressive when you want it. Out back, a new 12-bolt rear end with Detroit Positraction and 3.53 gears. That setup gives you strong acceleration off the line while still being comfortable on the highway. And yes, stainless exhaust with ceramic-coated headers means it sounds as good as it looks. Now let's talk about the real head turner. This truck is finished in House of Kolor Kandy Tangelo paint, inside and out, with 7 coats of clear. The depth, the shine, the glow in sunlight, it's pure show quality. And it sits perfectly on 20-inch Koi's C10 XL Rally forged wheels, giving it that aggressive modern stance, while keeping the classic muscle vibe alive. Best part, rust-free body. No hidden nightmares. Just clean, straight, square body perfection. Inside, it's fully refreshed with modern comfort. New TMI seats, fresh carpet, new headliner, panels and seat belts. Everything feels tight and clean. The Dakota digital gauge cluster gives you modern readouts with a sleek performance look. You also get vintage air AC, because classic style doesn't mean sweating in traffic. The wiring has been completely upgraded with a new American auto wire harness and modern fuse panel, so reliability matches the performance. For audio, it runs a retro sound Bluetooth head unit, Rockford Fosgate speakers, plus an Alpine amp and sub. Classic look, modern sound. This isn't just about going fast in a straight line. It features tubular control arms, drop spindles, new springs and shocks, upgraded disc brakes, new tie rods, steering box, and a rebuilt steering column. That means tighter handling, better stopping power, and a planted stance. It drives like a modern performance truck, but looks like pure 1980s American attitude. So what do you get? Classic square body styling, 83-stroker V8 power. Modern suspension and braking, premium interior upgrades, show-quality paint. This 1983 Chevrolet C10 Restomod isn't just restored, it's reborn. Would you daily drive this or keep it as a weekend show truck? Let me know in the comments. And if you love classic American builds like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.